with your butt.
Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Cute cake. I've been coming to this lake since I was 3 weeks old. Oh! Since 34 years ago today. Wow.
Why today?
I've been coming to this lake for exactly because my mom and dad made settlement on the Pocono house on her birthday in '86.
Oh my God, you'll have to tell her. She'll be so happy about that.
Wow. So I've been coming to this lake for 34 years.
Wow.
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Film him when he falls in.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to take you after filming. Your phone's not there.
You fell it in the water.
My phone is in my pocket.
You're not upset that, Daddy.
Well, thank you for watching our exciting show here.
On the next Nappy vlog, we stare at a potato.
That'd be a good vlog. 30 minutes of straight potato. Nappy vlogs. Me and Pickle in the Poconos. I'm allergic to a cat, so I sound like I got a cat inside of me. But all's good. No Rona. Checked out all right. Right now, I am at what's known as the Ridge. I've actually been coming here. Today is the day that when I was 3 weeks old, my parents got a Pocono house. And then my mom and dad moved up here. My dad passed away and my mom lives up here. My brother has a house up here. And because of Rona, I haven't been here since March. And so right now we're at the top of a mountain. This is where we used to party when we were teenagers. And look at this view. There's a fence here, but I'll put the camera over the fence. It's a quarry. And this thing used to blow up rocks and shake our whole house. Man, I used to come here before I had seen the world. This place was so big. It's so weird going back to places you were at as a kid. Check out this view. What we have here is a pickle in its natural environment. As you can see, he walks while he's make it even harder to clean up. Then he does a little shake. And he kicks some shit on it. Alright, let's explore the ridge. So I grew up with motorcycles. Ooh, tripping on rocks. Breaking my ankle. Limping. I grew up on quads, ATVs. And these were the trails we used to ride them in. I was very lucky as a kid. We had a lot of things that we were very lucky to have. And these trails, man, these trails were my life. Man, you can see it starts here and just goes into the woods. Certain outlets take you to state game lands. If you want, you could easily get lost up here for a long time. Wow. This was it when I was a kid. This was it. This is where I used to dream. Sit on this mountain and like imagine doing the things I've freaking done, man. Talk about a metaphor. I would recommend that if you can. And it's not going to be, you know, it's different if it's scarring for you. You have terrible memories. But try to go back to where you were when you were younger, even for 10 minutes. Try to put yourself in that mindset of what you were thinking at the time. And then you can note your progress. And if you're not happy with where you're at now, then take it as a refresher. You got to go to the spot to remind you of what you wanted. Now you can go home and make that happen. I'm happy this time I'm up here. I'm proud of my progress. Sometimes I come up here and I'm like, all right, Mikey, get your shit together. But I'll show you a couple more cool spots of my retreat where I used to go when I was a kid. Walking a mountain is tough. Where I used to go as a kid. So, see when I'm looking at you. One time when I was 15, I told my friend I was 16 and I had my license. I'll drive your car home. I drove it down this hill. I f***ed that car up.
Nappy Beats. Nappy Beats.
was my stomping grounds. I used to be at this lake. Look, a bald eagle. Oh wow. That's a bald eagle. Let's see if we can find it. Wow, what timing. That's crazy. There's a bald eagle. I'm gonna try to zoom in on this footage. Oh. Oh, stop. Wow, an actual bald eagle. Stop, Pickle. Shh. Here it comes. Whoa, it's going down. Stop, Pickle. It's diving down. Whoa. Wow. Why aren't I filming with my other phone? Well, I'm gonna keep walking because my dog's driving me nuts. But this is the main lake I used to come to all the time. It is so weird how small things look after you've seen more things. Man, this place used to be my world. I lived here every June to August. This was my whole world. For most of my life, I never even left Pennsylvania. I've been to Florida one time and New Jersey like 4 times. I spent like the first 25 years of my life never leaving the state I was born in. And then I started working with Bam Margera. I ended up in Finland. Man. And then my whole life started to change. LA. But it's nice to come back to your roots. Man. And then a bald eagle? Sheesh. You would think I'm torturing this dog. You would think right now I'm bringing him to like be skinned and to a place where he's going to be in a cage with no interaction and get beat every day. Meanwhile, he's on his 3rd walk of the morning, does what he wants, eats what he wants, breathes like a banshee. What are you crying for? You got a good life, kid. You got a good life. Enjoy it. It's weird bringing a new dog to the Poconos too. Man. Pickle. Look at that mouth. Looks like a freaking Beetlejuice mask. Damn, that tongue's long. You'd make a giraffe's happy. I wish I could text Pickle right now. Yo, Pickle, I'm loving hanging out with you, but you're annoying! By the way, we're driving in a private gated community with a speed limit of 25. I'm not driving on the highway like this with my dog. I'm not an idiot! Right? Zooming in when you're saying something makes everything else really funny. Maybe you could use the zoom to like break bad news. Like, yo bro, thanks for letting me use your truck, but last night I wrecked it! And then I came home to play your PS4 and I dropped it! You're right in my fucking face, Pickle. Pickle! Anyone ever see Up? He's like Doug from Up. You're right in my fucking face. Ho, ho, ho. Look, it's too much. It's like 9 o'clock in the goddamn morning, Pickle. Oh, man. So here we are now at another lake. I used to come to this lake quite a bit, too. Especially when I was a teenager trying to cause a ruckus. There's an island out there. That grass out there is actually an island. And, man, bringing back memories. Whoo-wee. Okay, so I think I realized what the point of this vlog is. Sometimes you gotta unplug. No matter how hardworking you are, no matter how important your schedule is, sometimes you gotta unplug. You gotta enjoy life. You know, I think even the most successful people will say that. You gotta work hard. Sometimes you gotta work long days, even unhealthy amounts of hours. But you gotta unplug and stay with what's important. Family, nature, and doing what you want, man. Don't work your whole life to get what you want and then never get it, or spend your whole time working for it to never enjoy it. So it's probably going to be somewhat of a short nappy vlogs, but hopefully it'll inspire you. Work hard. I've been working really hard, but unplug. It's important to unplug your mind. Unplug. Be around the people you want to be around, and don't be around the people you don't want to be around. Because it doesn't matter what you believe. The only thing we can prove is that this is the only life we have. So that's how I'm going to live it. You know, live it like there is an afterlife, and you'll go somewhere nice if you're a good person, but this might be it. So live it like it is.